check of that number, or else prime number I will go on 2, 3, 5, after that 7, 11, 13, 17 and so on. So in this proper order only I will move to find out the prime factor. So 84 is there. I will start from first, that is 2, as you are able to see here 2. So let us start 2. 2 how much is 84 I can say here. So 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, as you are able to see. Next again I need to break this 42 into 2 prime number, basically 8. Now how I will break here? So as you are able to see, again I will start from 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Now again I need to make a branches. I will make it down. So let us make next again. Now it will the 21 I can't do the calculation with 2. Now I should move with the 3, as you are able to see here 2 completed. Now I am going to move here at 3. So 3 7s are 21. Now I will stop here. Now similarly I will repeat this process with the second number, that is my 70. Now let us start how I am getting 2 235 ja I will get. Let me take a different color so it will be easy for us to identify. So 235 ja 70. After that I will break this 35. So now I need to break this number. So see here 2 completed. By 3 also I can't do division of 35. Now I will go to the next number, that is my 5. So 5 7 is 35. Since at last I receive the prime number, I will not touch that number. As you are able to see, last number, let me mark it 3 and 7. As you are able to, both the numbers are prime, I will stop my calculation. Here also I got the prime number, so I will stop my calculation. Now one more number is there, 98. Let us start solving that, the same pattern. Now I will get here 2, 2 4 ja 8, 2 9 ja 18. Again I will break this number. Now let us again break this number. So how much number I will break now? 49. 49 by which number I can divide here? The next step that we are proceeding now. So next step will be there, same like that how we solve in prime factorial 84. So what are the number? 2 2 3 7. So I will write 2 into 2 into 3 into 7, means whatever the number that is in yellow color, yellow boxes, that I will write 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. After that 70 I will repeat the same 70, whatever the numbers are in yellow color, left side only I will get 2 into 5 into 7. Again 98. 98 also I will do the same activity, 2 into 7 into 7, up to here completed. Now dear students, we will move further. Again as I told you, HCF. HCF means what? Highest common factor. Now I need to find out which is the highest common among the three. So again I am able to trace it. 2 is there. Again I am able to trace it. 7 is also there. So what is the number I can write? 2 into 7, that is my 14. As already know, previous question also we got the same answer, and in this question also we got the same answer, 14. But previous question the method was common division method, and in this question, sorry, common factor method, and in this question we are going to solve the same question by the help of factor tree method. Now hope this method is clear. Now let us move to the next question. Let's move to the next method. HCF we need to find it out. HCF we need to find out the same number by the help of next method, that is known as common division method. Common division method. Now let us try. What is the number? Already we have noted, that is your 84 and 70. Let us write in a space with the different colors, so it will be easy for us to identify. For example, it is written 84, next number is 70, and next number is 98. Now in this process we are going to apply the common division method. Now see here students, how I am going to solve. So first I will make here like this lines, and after that I will divide with the help of commas. Now I will start dividing the numbers. Now see here how I am dividing. So first, again, every time whenever I am solving with a particular rule, that is prime number I am using every time. 2, 3, 5, 7. After that your 11, 13, 15, and so on. In this particular order only I am increasing. So let us move in the same pattern. Now let us start from 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, that I am going to divide. Next 2 35s are 70. Next 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18. Up to here we have divided, correct? Now common division method, that we will, it become little bit longer, let me make it shorter. Okay, it is completed. Now as you are able to see, by 2 I am able to divide all the three numbers. I think you are getting my point. Now let us move to the next. Now next again I will apply by 2, because 2 I can divide 42. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Next 35 I am able to divide? No, I can't divide, because 35 will come as it is. Now after that next 49 can I divide? No, 49 also I can't divide. Now let us move to the next line again. Now by 2 number can I divide any other numbers now? No, it is not possible, because 2. Now let us try for the 2. Now the number is not possible. Now I am going for the 3. Now let us start from 3. 3 sevens are 21. Okay. 35 I can divide? No, it is not possible. So I will write as it is. By 3 I can divide 49? Not possible. Okay, 9. Okay, so up to here we have done. Now we will again move to the next. 3, it is not possible. Now again 5, can I divide the number? Yes, I can divide, because 35 is there. Okay, now let us try with the new. That is, for example, 5. Now here 7 is there. Here again 35. 5 sevens are 35. After that 49 I can divide? No, I can't divide 49. Okay. Now again I will move to the next. Means now 5 7 is the only number by which I can divide. Now let us try this 7. Okay, 7 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7, 7 7s are 49. Okay, perfectly divided all the three number. Now again I will try the next number is what? 7. So again I will try from the for the 7. Now let us try. 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7. Sorry, here I will write here 7 1s are 7. Up to here it is completed. Now dear student, common division method, how to find it out? So in this method dear, one special trick is there also, we can say. We need to identify by which number I can divide all these three. So as you are able to see here, by 2 I will make a circle, because by 2 I can divide 84 also, by 2 I can divide 70 also, by 2 I can divide 98 also. As you are able to see here, 28. Okay, next to this I can divide. Okay, I will put tick. Next again I will make next 2. By this 2 I can divide 42, but by this 2 I can't divide 35 and 49, so this number I will not consider. Again 3 I will mark a circle, I will check. By this 3 I can divide 21, as 3 sevens are 21. 35 I can't divide, 49 also I can't divide, so I will not consider, because I need to find out such a number by which I can divide that line all the numbers. Again I will try by 5. So by 5 I can divide 75, but I can't divide 7 and 49. Now this also not possible. Next again I will try for the 7. By 7, yes, I can divide 7, because 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7, 7 7s are 14, and all the number I am able to divide. Now let us move to the next number by 7. Yes, no. So here 7, 1 is there. I can't touch. 1 also I can't divide. 7 is only one number. This number also I will not consider. So I need to find out such a number by which I am able to divide all the number. So as you are able to see here, already I have done the tick mark. As you are able to see, let me highlight that point so it will be easy for you. Already this is the point 2, and here we find out that is 7, as you are able to see. Now our answer is complete. Directly we can write HCF is equal to, what is the number, 2 and 7. So I will directly multiply 2 into 7. 7 2s are 14. So my HCF of the number is 14. Already by two more methods we got the same answer, and this is the third method we got the same answer. So hope you understand this video. If you wanted to practice it, then you can try with your various example. Already I taught you the three methods by which you are getting the same answer. So how I solved like that, you can also try by your own and check by all the three methods you are getting the same answer or not. Okay, thank you students. Now let us move to the next procedure, that how to find out the LCM. How to solve the LCM. Already I told you, let us there are three methods to solve. Let us start from common multiple method. Common multiple method. Common multiple method that we are going to find out. So for that, first it is required, they will tell as common multiple. So we need to understand what are the multiples. What are the multiples that we need to identify. So for example, for that also we required a question. So let us take the particular number 12, let the another number be 18, let another number be 20. So three number, two number also it is possible. Now let us start from 12. So what is a multiple of 12 that we need to write it? Let me write left side so it will be easy for us with a different color to identify. 12 I am writing. So what are the multiple of 12? So can you tell me? Okay, 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. So these are the multiples like that we need to write. So what is the next? 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48. After that students, continue with me. 12 fives are 60, 12 six are 72, 12 7 no, 12 6 are 72, 12 sevens are 96. After that you will get 108, and again you will do then 120. After that 132, after that 144, and after that again if you will proceed you will get 156. After that number you will get 168, after that 180, and after that 192, and so on. Means it will never end. These are the multiples, it will never end. So similarly I need to find out for the 18 also. So 18 I need to search it. So let us start by for 18 also. 18 also same calculation. 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, 18 threes are 54, 18 fours are 72, 18 fives are 90, 18 six are 108, 18 6 18 sevens are 126. After that 144, 162, 180, 198, 216, and so on. It will carry on. Similarly, we need to find out for the 20 also. Whatever the question they will provide you, you should find out. If you need to find out the LCM of that number, then you should apply 20. Now 20, how I'll apply that? Already it is very easy. Since we by applying the logic also we can say 20, next 40, next very good students, 60, 80, 100. After that 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220, and so on. Okay, up to here it is completed. So what is the method that we are using? That we are using common multiple method. Now what you need to find out, these are the multiples. What are they? These are the yellow color that I have written, that are the multiples of that number. Now I need to find out, as the question is there, lowest common multiple. LCM is lowest common multiple. Now can you tell me what is the common And which one is the lowest among all the number? So 12 is there, no. 24 is there, yes, but 18, 24 is not there. 36, no, 36 is not there. 48, no. So how to identify? So see here, 12 is there, 12 is only one time. 24 is there, no, 24 is not there. 36 there, yes, 36 is there, but 36 is only, see here, 36 here, 36 is there. But in third column, in 20, 36 is not there, so I can't take. So this also I will cancel. 48 is there in all the columns? No, 48 is not there because 18 in 18 multiple 14 is not there. Next in 60, yes, 60 is there. Yes, 60 is also there. But in 18 table 60 is not there. Due to that I will cancel. I need to find out such a number by which all the three values should have. Next 72, yes, 72 is there, 72 is there, but in 20 table 72 is not there, so I will cancel both the number. Again 96, no, 96 not there. 108, yes, 108 is there in 12 table, 108 is there in 18 table, but in 20 table it is not there, so I will cancel. 120, yes, 120 is there in 12 table, 120 is there in 20 table, but 120 is not there in 18 table, so again I will cancel. Again 132, 132 is not there. Again 144, yes, 144 is there, and 144 is also in 18 table, but in 20 table it is not there. Again I will cancel this number. Again 156, 156 is not there. Again 168, no, 168. 180, yes, 180 is there. So let me check it. 180, again 180 is here in 80 table also, 180 is in 20 table also. Super, we got a perfect match. This is our first number. As you are able to see here, that we got our correct answer, that is 180 we got here, 180 we got, again 180 we got. So now we will stop our answer because it's the lowest and first we find out. So directly we can write here LCM. What is the LCM? What is the value we got? That is 180. Simply we can write directly. And this method is known as your common multiple method. Okay, after that let us move to the next process. We will solve the same question. Okay, now next we need to find out the LCM, but by using the factor tree method. Factor tree method. And what was the question? The question was 12, next 18, and next is your 20. Now this was the question. Let me keep, okay, up to here. Now already I told you factor tree method, we should create the factor. Now let us start. Now 2, 6, I think that, I hope you got the logic, because every time we are solving that number with the prime numbers only. So first we will start from 2, 3, 5, 7, after that 11, 13, and so on. This is the proper pattern that we are following, and we will continue. 2, after that, after completing, again I will break this 6 because 6 is not a prime number. If I get the prime number, then I will stop. Again 2, 3, now both are the prime number, now I will stop. Again I will continue with the next. Next is your, now let us continue. So 2 9s are 18. Okay, now again 9 also I can break. How I can break the number? 3. Here I can write here 3 3s are 9. Okay, little bit dot is kept over there. Let me remove to avoid any confusion. 3 3s are 9 because 3, now 2 I can't use. I need to go for the 3. Again I need to stop. After that again I can't continue. Now let us move to the next. That is 20. 20 how I can break? So yes, by 2 table I can break. 2 10s are 20. Again I need to go for the further. Now what will value? What is the value, dear students? The value I can say here 2 5s are 10. Again I can't go further. Now let us stop our this point. Now what is the last point I told you? That is 2 and 3. We got the prime number, we will stop. 3 and 3, both the prime number, we will stop. 2 and 5, both the prime number, we will stop. Already I told you we should take the left side for factor tree method. Left side. What is the left side? That we need to consider here. Again 2, 3, 4 means I need to focus in this way. What is the left side, that I will focus. So 2, 3, 4. So as you are able to say, whatever marked in red circle, are you able to highlight it? Okay, perfect. Now let us move to the next. So up to completing here, what I will write? So I will write here 12 is equal to, what are the numbers? 2 into 2 into 3. And next, what is the 18 next number? What I can write here, dear students? 2 into 3 into 3. Now what is the next number? 20. 20, what I can write here number? 2 into 2 into 5. Up to here I have written. Now what is the question that we need to understand? That is lowest common multiple. So what is the lowest common? So first identify, let's find out the pattern of the common. So what is common? Okay, 2 is common, sir. After that, anything is pattern? Okay, very good. Now one more 2 is common, as you are able to see. Here I will not check 3, I will check minimum, lowest. In that HCF we need to check all, but in LCM we can check even 2 is also a pair, that also we can make a common. So here 2 is common, as well as 2 2's are also common. After that 3 is also common, as you are able to see here. How I mark in the green color, as you are able to see here. In LCM, the 3 can be also a pair, 2 can be also a pair. That is the pattern. Now 3 and 5, it is not a pair. Up to here, are you able to understand? Okay, very good. Now after that, if you are not understanding, then you can pause the video or replay it. Then it will be easy for you to make it understand. Up to here clear? Now suppose I need to find out the LCM. Now how I'll write the LCMs here? 2 is there common, very good. Next again 2 is common, again 3 is common. Whatever the common I have written first, 2 3's are there. Now 2 is also common, that is also completed, 3 also completed. After that, what are the remaining number? 3 and 5. So 3 into 5. I think that 3 and 5, don't be confused here. Let me, for your reference, let me write here these 3 and these 5 I am writing here. These 3 and these 5. Okay. And now final answer we need to multiply it. So after multiplying, how much I will get? 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36, 36 5 ja 180. So already in previous method also we got answer 180. In this method also we got the answer 180. So hope you understood this video. If you didn't understood, watch this video again so that it will be perfectly clear in your brain. So student, let us move to the next method. That is how to find out the LCM by common division method. Common division method. Common division method. Now how to solve it? So let us take the same number so that it won't be any confusion for you. Let me take different colors so that it will be easy for you to understand. 12, 18 and 20. Now let us start. Okay, now we need to start. Already I told you we should start with the prime number. Prime number. So what are the prime number? Already I told you 2, 3, 5. After that 7. After that 11. After that 13. After that 17 and so on. Very good. So in this proper order only you should move ahead. Okay, now let us move. Now 2, how much ja? 2 6 are 12, 2 9 are 18, 2 10 are 20. Very good. It divided all. Next, let us move. Now again let us move that. Which number I can use? 2 I will use. 2 3 are 6, 9 it will come as it is, 2 5 are 10. After that let us move. Now 2 number I can't use. Now I will use the 3 number. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9 and 5. Now again I need to use the number. Now again I will use 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 5. Now again I need to check the number. Now how will check the number? Let us start 5. 5 1 1 1. Up here clear? Now students, here how to solve, find out the LCM. The LCM process very easy. Whatever the number that is in left side, 2 2 3 3 5, this all the number I will multiply. This is the, by this process we call as a common division method. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So what will be answer? 2 2 are 4, 4 3 are 12, 12 3 are 36, 36 5 are 180. So So hope you got the answer. By all the three methods, we got exactly same answer. So hope you understood how to find it out. If you didn't understood, watch the video again. Then it will be perfectly clear for you how to solve it. And it is very important as per the examination point of view also, dear students. Okay. Now let us solve. Already we know how to solve it, correct? Now let me explain you that suppose in examination, suppose numerical question, suppose the question will come. Then how dear how you will understand and how you will solve it. So see here, as you are able to see here, the question it is written, there are 96 blue balls and 88 yellow balls to be given out to some students. What is the maximum number of students who can get the same combination of balls of both colors without having any balls left over? In this condition, the question looks very complicated, but the question can be solved either by LCM or HCF. Many of you will face the problem. Sir, how to identify whether we need to solve HCF, LCM? Now let's move to the next question also. Now let me explain you how you will identify. There is a trick there. By that, if you know that trick, you can quickly understand. One more question is there. Let me give you one more question. Then it will be easy for you. Okay, this question we will discuss later on. Up to here understood, dear? Means two questions there are in front of you. You need to identify how to solve this question. So dear, let me give you a very trick to solve this type of question, that how you will identify whether I need to do LCF or whether I need to do here LCM. So one trick is there. Let me explain you first. So HCF, whenever the question will come related to HCF, you should remember in the word problem, you should find out the word greatest should be there in the question. If the greatest word they have used, then you need to apply HCF. Again, next they can use as a maximum, then you need to apply the HCF in the question. In the question paper, suppose they use the word that is longest, then you should apply the word HCF. Similarly, in case of LCM also, suppose they use the word together, then you should understand that they are trying to say us to find the LCM. Again, if they use the word both, then also you should apply the LCM. After that, suppose they are using the word that is minimum, then also you should apply the word LCM. If they are using the word least, then also you should apply the word LCM. If they are using the word shortest, then also you should use the word LCM. If they are using the word shortest, then you should apply the logic of LCM. Now as you are able to see here, now let us start from the question. Let us trace it, that how whether we are able to solve or not. In first question, there are 96 blue ball, yellow ball. Okay, everything is given maximum. Okay, as I am able to put here, are you able to see here maximum? So where is maximum? Maximum is in HCF. Very good. So you can either note it down. These all are the keywords by which you can easily understand that in my question whether I need to do HCF or whether I need to do LCM. So here the question maximum it is given. Maximum is I should do HCF. For HCF, what are the numbers? So numbers also it is already they mentioned here. The number they mentioned here. First one they mentioned 96. Second one they find 88. So 96 and next is your 88. Now these two number, any method, we have already learned three methods. Any method you can apply and you will get the answer. Great. Now next question. In the theatre club meets school auditorium every 28 days and the poetry clubs meet at the same place over every 20 days. If both, again the new word came both. Now where we are able to see this both? Both came, as you are able to see here. So both we find out here, correct? Now both means what? LCM. So we need to do the LCM. Now LCM is what? LCM of you should do 28 and 20. These two numbers you should find out the LCM. Hope you know that there are total three methods by which we can do LCM also and we can do the HCF also. For example, already it is given over there. I hope that you understood how to solve it, correct? And if you want help, let us take the simple example and let us solve. For example, 28 and 20. Let us solve, okay? 28 and it is given over there 20. Now which process I will apply? Let us, recently we learned the common division, let us apply that. 2 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, next 2 10s are 20, after that 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10, again next 5 7, it will come as it is, 5 1s are, after that next 7 1s are, again 1. So here I got the last 1 1, after that I will not proceed. So up to here clear? Now what is the procedure to find out LCM? Already I told you, whatever the left numbers are there, that all the number you will multiply. So what answer you will get? 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. So what will be answer? 2 2s are 4 into 5 into 7. This is a trick that you can multiply. 4 5s are 20 into 7. So you can write here 5 no, 7 2s are 14. So 140 is the answer. Directly you can solve it like that. So hope you are getting the logic how to solve it. Correct, student? Now same 28. Let me explain you. Same question. Suppose it is there, you need to find out the HCF 28 and 20. Now how you will apply the logic? Already we learned the many methods over there. Now let me explain you by the same common division method. Now how will solve? Same 2, how I will solve here? 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, comma 2 10s are 20, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10. After that, next I will apply here 5 7, it will come as it is, 5 1s are, after that 7 1 1. Clear? Now already I told you in this logic, what is the logic I told you how to solve it? First you mark the circle 2. Okay, by this 2 can I divide both the number? Yes, I can divide. Very good. Now again 14 and 10, by this 2 I can divide both the number? Yes, I can divide. Now again I will check for 5. 5 I can divide? No, not possible. Only one number I am able to divide. Again by 7 I can divide both the number? No, only one number is possible. So I will write here HCF. HCF value will be my 2 into 2. That HCF is my 4. Now since we have learnt up to this, one special means we can say that is very important as okay. For that let me explain you. LCM, how much we got here? 140, and HCF how much we got? 4. Okay. Now let me up to here I hope you have understood. Now let me give you a very interesting things there. For example, already we know that what number we are searching, 28 and 20 we were solving, correct? And how much LCM we got? LCM how much we got? Dear students, LCM as you are able to see 140, and HCF you got 4. Okay, LCM 140, LCF. HCF we got here 4. Okay. Now up to here it is clear. Now this data is, now dear, already in our mathematician they had invented the magical formula, we can say HCF into LCM, that will be your product of two number. Product of two number product of two number, or else in some of the books they will mention HCF into LCM is equal to number 1. Number 1 means first number, number 1, first number into second number they will mention. Number 2. Now in our case let me check that whether it is possible or not. So what is the value of LCM? LCM are able to see what is the value of LCM, that is let HCF into LCM. Let us check the process. Okay, HCF value I got 4. Okay, 4 into LCM value how much I got? 140. Very good. Now what is the first number? 28. What is the second number? 20. So let us make 28 into 20. Now let us try it. So how much I will get? 4 zeros are 0, 4 4s are 16, 6 carry 1, 4 1s are 5, 5 60. Now same way you need to solve. So if I multiply 8 2s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 5. So 560 into 560. So I can say that LCF into LCM is equal to number 1 into number 2. That is also the correct. So in your examination it will come. You should remember these formulas. Now after that let me explain you in the same concept. They can provide you one special type of question also. Okay, as you are able to see here, the question they mention here, HCF of the two number, it is given. Okay, what the given data? Solution. How we should solve it? Given data. So what they given? They have provided HCF. How much value they provided? HCF value is what? HCF value is 8 and LCM value also they provided. What is the LCM value? That is 48. Now, if they are telling that one of the number, if one of the number, one of the number means what? Either number 1 or number 2. One of the number they are mentioning 60. Another number means, now we need to apply the formula and we need to check whether we are getting the same answer or not. Okay, now let us apply. Already we know the formula. What is the formula? HCF into LCM is equal to number 1. Let me write in shortcut, number 1 into number 2. Okay, the students, already we know these formulas. Okay, now they mention here HCF answer how much? HCF value they mention here 8 into LCM value how much they mention here 48 is equal to number 1 value 16. Another number they didn't mention. Okay, number 2. Now let us solve. Now 18 into this one we need to multiply. So how to multiply? That already I told you. Suppose student you don't know multiply, then see here how to multiply. 48 and 8. So how I will multiply here? 8 8 ja 64. 4 carry 6. After that 8 4 ja 32. 32 plus 6. How much I will get here? 8 4 ja 32. So I will write 32 plus 6. I will add. How much I will get here? 8 3. So how much I got here? 384. Clear? This all the things that actually you should do in the rough side. So I got here 384 is equal to 16 into number 2. So now it is in multiply. Left side if it go, then it will become division. Divided by 16 is equal to number 2. But that is the second number. Now how will divide? So they are telling to divide. Now 16 divided by 384. Now I need to divide it. Already I told you this method, this type of question it will come. Then what you should do? First you should find out the multiple of that number. So 16 into 1 I know. 16 into 1 how much, student? 16 1 ja 16. Very good. 16 into 2 I need to solve. 16 2 ja 32. Okay, I think it become later. 16 2 ja 32. Now after that 16 into 3. 16 3 ja how much it will have? 48. Clear? Now I think up to here we will get it. 16 how much are? 38. So I will take two number. So in this first two number I will check the 38. So 38 where I will apply? 48 is more. So 38 in this value I can apply. 16 2 ja. So 16 2 ja 32 minus. If I am doing minus, how much I am getting here now? Minus 6. Now after that 4 will come down. Now again 64. So again we need to calculate 16 into 4. 16 4 is how much? 6 4 is 24. 4 to 64. Now it is how much it is there? 16 4 is 64. Answer reminder 0. So what is my quotient? My quotient is now 24. So what is the second number? Second number is 24. So hope you got the logic how to solve this. So 24 is my second number. Hope you understood how to solve it, students. Now let us, in the same way, in class 5th also it is there, class 6th, even in the higher classes also it is mentioning the same thing. Now dear student, I will show you some random question, and in that question we will try to identify how to solve by HCF and LCM. Okay students, now let us start. After this, by seeing the question, you can analyze that you need to do HCF, you need to do LCM, or how you can decide what to do in this question. Okay, students? Okay, let me fix the question. Okay, now in this question, as you are able to see here, let me recall you once again. Already we know HCF and the second term was there LCM. And what were the keywords to identify the HCF? HCF you need to identify by the help of greatest. What is the first term name? Is the greatest. If the greatest is written, then it is HCF. If the maximum is written, then it is HCF. And if the longest is written, then it is HCF. And in LCM also, if together is written, then we need to find out LCM. Next is your both is written, then we need to find out LCM. If minimum is written, then we need to find out LCM. If least is written, then we need to find out LCM. If shortest is written, then we need to find out LCM. So let us now, already we know how to solve HCF and LCM already in this video. Now question number 1. Now question number 1 is given over there. The purchase 2 bags. Entire question I will search my word. Okay, very good. Here we find out the maximum. Maximum is what I will solve? HCF. Very good. Of what? 75. HCF of what? 75 and 69. Super. Very good. Any steps you can solve. Question number 2. Okay. Total question I read. Okay. Very good. Quickly we identify. Here it is written minimum. As you are able to see here, minimum. Minimum is what? Minimum I need to find LCM. Very good. LCM of what number? 63, 70 and 77. Very good. Correct answer, dear student. Now question number 3. Now question number 3 we need to identify. Question number 3. Okay, the length, breadth, everything it is longest. Very good. Longest means what, dear student? HCF. HCF of what number? 825, 675, 450. Very good. Now question number 4 and 5 we will discuss later on. Question number 6 is again what problem? Now it is written over there, the traffic light 3-dimensional road, every second it is written. If they change simultaneously at 7 times, at what time they change? Again we need to find out. So at that time how I'll solve that question? It is written over there. Simultaneous change at 7 a.m. At what time they will change? Again means again also means it will come the shortest distance. Shortest again means your shortest means you should solve your LCM. So 48, 72, 108 LCM. Again means minimum chances. When is the next time I will get again correct or not? Also you can remember here again also. AGAIN that you can remember. Next again question number 7, the 3 triangles it is written over there, find the maximum. So by maximum what is the word dear students? Maximum it is written. Maximum is what you will find out, that is your HCF. Very good. HCF of what number? 403, 434, 465. Very good, correct answer. And remaining find the least. The least number is given. Least means what? Least means LCM, correct. 6, 15, 18. And after that remainder that we will understand later on. Up to here I believe that it is clear with that. Find the LCM. In question number 10 all the questions are direct question. LCM we need to find it out. So hope you understood this video dear. If you have any query means you have any doubt, directly you can drop the question in your chat box or comment box. I will help you how to find out the answer of it. Okay dear student, hope you understood how to solve it, correct? Okay, thank you very much. And if you are facing any problem, so you can again rewatch the video and make your concept 100% clear, so that there won't be any confusion in your entire life related to HCF and LCM. Thank you very much students. We will see you in the next video with a newer concept.